series, we'll explore creative ways to display and store LOL Surprise dolls. Okay, so I've got a major mess here. I've got all these bows, all these dolls, all these scrunchies, and I'm looking for a place to put them. So I'm making a board, taking my gift wrap, left over from the last birthday we just had, and I'm going to apply it to my board with Mod Podge. Yay! Thank goodness for Mod Podge. Okay, let's get started. So the purpose of this project really is for storage of these little cute LOL dolls. We have so many. This is just a small assortment of what we have here. So in addition to doll storage for our project, we're also storing hair clips. And we have butterflies that we got from Claire's. They clip on your hair. We have lots of butterflies. We love these little things. They're so cute. They're orange, pink, yellow, this blue color. And then we also have hair bows that were purchased here and here. And we also bought some fabric flowers. These ones were from Walmart. And they do not have anything attached to them yet, so we also bought these hair clip at Walmart as well. These are called ribbon clips, and we're going to be attaching our flowers to those. Let's see here, we also have scrunchies. I got these at a discount store, and they're so cute, faux fur scrunchies. We just love wearing these ones. So one aspect of our project that we're making today is using pom-poms. And I'm again using the Clover pom-pom maker set. I've made pom-poms in 3 different sizes, the medium, the small, and the tiny pom-poms. I've also purchased little felt pom-poms for my project, and I've made them in rainbow color. Project on a scrap piece of plywood. It's about 1/4 inch thick, and we're using leftover wrapping paper. This is like a rainbow type we just had at a birthday. Okay, I'm going to add another piece of paper right here. This one will work good right there. Just gonna trim off extra. I need this to go all the way up, cover quite a bit. Then I'm going to be adding this piece onto it. Paper on the back, and now I'm going to make some hangers for all my LOL dolls. I've got some construction paper here that already has pre-cut shapes. Let's see here, I was going to do a star and also I think maybe a heart and a flower. That sounds cool to me. So you just punch out the shapes. So here's my glitter foam. I just turned it over. Now I'm going to place down my little template and trace around it. Real simple. Okay, so here's my flower, here's my elastic. I have my 2 cuts. I ran the ends to the other side, and I made a knot. Okay, so I'm finished Mod Podging the background. I've made little hangers out of glitter foam cutouts. I've tied on my stretchy cord through 2 slits. I've placed everything on the board exactly where I want it, and now I have heated up my glue gun, and I'm going to glue down these doll hangers. So I'll start here in the corner. I've got a little scrunchie around her, so I'm just going to take the scrunchie off. And she's attached to a little butterfly with the stretchy cord. I'm going to take her off completely. Oops, there goes her head. And then I'm going to turn it over. I'm going to take off the adhesive paper. And then I'm going to hot glue this onto my board. So you might have to rip this in a couple pieces because I put my tie on first. There we go. It's super sticky. But I am going to add more glue because I want to make sure these things don't fall off when I put it on the wall and my daughter pulls down dolls. So I'm going to add a lot of hot glue right there on the corner. Okay, I'm also going to glue down all of my pom-poms, the ones that are not hair ties. So just put a little bit of hot glue in a circle. I'm going to glue that down right there. So these are like permanent decorations. Okay, looks good. On to the next one. So to make the hangers for the hair clips, so we can pull them off and put them back on easily, I've cut out a little heart out of the foam glitter sheet, and I'm going to fold that in half this way. I'm going to make one small incision, one small cut, I mean, right about halfway through. Open it back up, have a little slit there, and I'm going to get a little piece of my elastic cord and stick it through that little slit. Fold the top down just so a little tiny bit of the cord shows, and that way we can slip our butterfly clips in there. So when it's all done, you can just slip that in there, and that will hang that butterfly on your board. And take this upside down, cut off the extra. Take this little piece of adhesive backing off. And then I'm going to stick my cord down into that sticky part. So when you turn it over, all you see is this little tiny bit of elastic. And now I'm going to hot glue that on to my board. And I'm just going to stick that down on my board where I want to have a butterfly. So about right there. Push down. Make sure that elastic cord is really glued down. And then we can slip our butterflies in there. Like that, and they'll stay on the board. How cute. Okay, now I need to attach my hair ribbon clips to the purchased fabric flowers. So let's do that. Cut this open. Take one out. And this one has a little piece of fabric. You can hot glue that too. That'll be perfect, super easy. Okay, so I'm just going to hot glue this, put the clip in. I'm just going to pull that back a little bit and stick some hot glue right in there so it'll stay. Try not to burn myself. The other one, I need to hot glue this part right here, just a little bit. Put that on, and then I'm going to hot glue this little sparkly circle on as well. So pretty. Now we can put these on our board to make some hangers for those. Okay, this is another fabric flower with some crystals on it. It was a baby headband, super cute, but of course it doesn't fit anymore, but I just absolutely love it. Can't get rid of that one. So I'm just going to convert it to a hair clip. So I've got another one of these, and I'm going to hot glue that onto there and just trim off the extra.